Hey, art peeps, welcome in today. I got an awesome Nutcracker creation out of toilet paper rolls, I guess, or paper towel rolls, whatever that you have to design and create. Before we go ahead and get started, make sure you subscribe, hit the subscribe button for new videos every week coming out. Let's get started on this right away. Clearly you need some sort of toilet paper roll or paper towel roll. I think I actually cut this one from a paper towel roll, which was a really long one that I made in half, so you can definitely use those. If you have white ones, they probably will work a little bit better, but you can always wrap it with a piece of paper also. You can wrap a white piece of paper around it and cut it, or any colored sheet also. So I've seen a whole bunch of different ones of these, and I'm really excited to let you guys design, characterize all up your little Nutcracker characters. So I'm going to start with Sharpie just so you guys can see it. If you want to start with pencil, I guess you could do that too, but I think it'll show up a little bit better in here. So make sure you have enough room for each one, so try to follow along as best as you can. I'm going to start with this line up here is going to be for the hat. And then the next little space is going to be for the face. So I'll make that about even. And then in between these two, right in the middle, is going to be the shirt and then the pants down below. So I'm going to split that right in between. And then you can go ahead and draw a line or connect that line all the way around. Okay, so then on that top piece is going to be the hat. There's several different hats. I'm going to go classic one, which has the little circles. And then you connect those with a line. And then I might combine one of my others that had little kind of loops on there. So it kind of goes up and down. Again, you do not have to do the same thing that I'm doing. You can do whatever style or design that you want for your character. All right, on to the middle part where the face is. I'm going to do a circle on one side and a circle on the other side, depending if yours is going to be a girl or a boy and what kind of emotional face that they are going to have. You can choose any type of emotion or any kind of facial features for yours. If you want to have a girl, maybe you're going to have eyelashes on yours. Maybe you're going to have a certain style of a nose, certain sort of frown or face. So I'm going to put a dot here. I'm going to put my little eyeball in the middle. And then I think I'm going to make this a grumpy one or an angry one. Let's see if I can make this go a little quicker. Ready? Ooh, there he is. Awesome. I bet I couldn't do that.
Ooh, there he is. Awesome. I bet I couldn't do that again.
Again, that was like my bottle flip or toilet paper flip. There he is. He is definitely looking angry. I just did some little kind of buttons on his jacket also here. The tricky part, I guess, was at the bottom here. Is doing some boots. For the boots, you can just do a line down the middle and then a little line going over, down, and out, over, down, and out, and that'll be his little boots feature here. I'll go through this, add some color. You guys use whatever tools that you guys have. You could definitely craft this up with different kind of textures and different kind of materials. You could use marker, crayon, color pencils, anything that you guys have, or any kind of craft items that you have laying around your house also. So let's go through that real quick. All right, you guys ready to see how the last and final one turned out? Bam! There he is, angry and grumpy. Yeah, as ever. I used some little tacks on here to poke through. Had a little feather in his hat to make him look more authentic like Nutcracker. And add a paint. I haven't done paint in a while on little projects, so I decided to have some fun with this one. So thank you guys for viewing. As always, I am Mr. Shooty. This is Mr. Shooty's Art Channel, and we will talk to you guys later.